Welcome to this tutorial which teaches you the basics of how to edit the type and the content on your printable. So as you can see, I've already loaded in the design here. Now if I wanted to change the name just up here, all I have to do is mouse over and you can see that box defines the text. I can just double click on that box and everything in there becomes selectable. So now I can type in a custom name. Now say that I wanted the name to be slightly smaller. What I can do is click on the text box and up here is a toolbar. So I can adjust the size here. I can also grab the sides of the text box and scale it up and down like that. Much like Microsoft Word, you can also update the font. So to do this, we would click on the text that we want to update. Up here in the toolbar, we would select this drop down and there's lots and lots of fonts in here. We can adjust it like so. You also have the option to bold, italicize, and underline your font. And you can also change it to all capitals. So if I were to click this, it would automatically change this box that I have selected to all capitals. We also have alignment. So say that you are writing a paragraph of text and you wanted it to be left aligned. You can click through these, find the left alignment one. We also have the option of dot points. You can click this multiple times to have a look at different styles or revert back. Finally, we have the spacing section. In the spacing, we have letter spacing, which is the space between the individual letters. You can see this text here is a little bit more spaced out than the average text. If I were to click on that, go into spacing, we can see the letter spacing is currently bumped up to 212. We can use the slider to make the letters closer or further apart. And if we wanted to adjust the space between lines, we can also do that. That's all you need to know to edit your text.